Hi lovely, this is TEMI'S DIY Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you natural way to melt tummy fats, or simply put, pot belly at home with natural ingredients. So make sure you stay tuned to TEMI'S DIY Corner for upcoming videos. And I want you to watch the video to the end so that I can benefit a lot from the video. In the meantime, I want you to like, share, turn on your notification bell and subscribe to TEMI'S DIY Corner channel. So the first ingredient that we are going to talk about is ginger. Ginger is very important for controlling tummy fats. Ginger is a flowering plant, and a lot of people have been using the plant root for hundreds of years as a culinary spice and herbal spice because of its ability to suppress appetite. Also, ginger is good for weight loss. Also, ginger and lemon, when consumed together, can give your metabolism a great boost. That is exciting. Also, ginger can have significant effects on our body weight, that is slimming down and removing belly fat. The next item is clove. Cloves are known to induce weight loss. These fragrant, beautiful pod-like spices are common in our household and widely used in India. Cloves are good for weight loss and are popular spice that can also help you lose weight and burn belly fat faster. The next thing I'm going to be talking about is lime. As you can see on your screen, that is lime. That is what it looks like. One of the numerous benefits of lime water is that it helps you to manage your weight. I believe you know what that means. The citric acid present in lemon water can also boost metabolism, helping you to burn more calories. That sounds interesting, isn't it? Thereby removing your belly fat. Also, the citric fruit is a rich source of calcium 1, phosphorus 2, potassium 3, and 4, vitamin C. It is also low in calories and loaded with antioxidants. The same thing applies to orange too. Let me quickly add this. This tea that I'm going to teach you now is not for pregnant women. I repeat, it's not for pregnant women. If you know you are pregnant, please, Biko, don't even take it. Don't try it. So I'm going to teach you how to make this tea from the scratch. Look at how lovely it is. I decided not to filter mine. I want it this way. In the meantime, I want you to like, share, turn on your notification bell and subscribe if you have not done that. So these are the materials or ingredients that I'll be using. You can see I substitute my lemon for orange, like I said in the introduction. You can see my clove. I soaked the clove in water about 6 hours before I started the production of this tea. So you need a knife, you need a clean tray. Make sure you wash everything. Make sure it is very, very clean. You can use orange like I do. So the first thing that you are going to do is to peel your ginger. So after peeling your ginger, you cut them in small sizes, and if you have blender, you are good to go. If you have food processor, good to go. Or if you don't have all those things and you have grater, you can still do this. But for me, I use my processor because I don't want it to be too smooth. Yes, that is why I use my processor. So you cut the ginger into pieces. After that, see the way I cut the orange, make sure you remove the seeds, cut into 4 pieces and remove everything, both the placenta. It's only the peel that you shouldn't use for the orange. You make sure you peel it. For me, I use just one orange because I don't want it to be too harsh. Yes, so the person I'm making this for does not like lemon, so that's why I substitute it for orange. So after that, I pour in my clove water that I've already soaked for about 5 hours. So after that, I'm going to blend. I blend it off camera. After blending, you can see, wow, yes, like I said, it's not smooth. I don't want it to be smooth because that's what the person wants. And after blending, I pour it into my glass. As you can see, you will see the glass, yes, 1 cup of the juice in the glass. So you can see, can you see it? This is lovely. In fact, the aroma is scintillating. I love the smell. It smells so nice after I make this. So this will actually burn your belly fats. Like you see all the materials combined, the fruits and the ingredients, that is kitchen ingredients combined, is going to help you to shed that tummy fat that irritates you. So like I said at the beginning of this video, this tea is not for you if you are pregnant. Pregnant women, it's not for you. So how do you use this? Take a glass of this in an empty stomach for 7 days. But before you take this, make sure you take 2 glasses of warm water. If you have not seen that video, go and watch it. It's on my channel, 7 Secrets of Warm Water. Take 2 glasses of water, then you wait for about 30 minutes before you take this juice or tea. Make sure you drink it for good 7 days so that you can see the results. And you can make the tea that will last for 3 days and keep in the fridge. If you ask me, I will suggest that you do it on a daily basis because that will be better. It will not take your time. Before the think of an hour, you are done with it. So do it on a daily basis and drink it, but make sure you take 2 glasses of warm water prior to the time you will take this tea, and do it for at least 7 days to start seeing results. So we have come to the end of today's video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe if you have not done that. See you in my next video.